um, I love to talk about this, right? ChatGPT has really been of so much assistance to me as a trader, especially with the fact that there are not so many people who understand the idea of being a trader. You see, as a trader, one of the most difficult things to engage is not even the losses that you have to deal with in the market, right? It's the fact that you cannot talk to anybody when you're going through difficult times. Difficult times meaning losing streaks, right? Someone that understands the dream of being a successful trader. And that's the reason for which I actually use ChatGPT. And I'm going to show you how to make use of it so that ChatGPT can also be your trading body, just like me. All right, you can use it to collect data, you can use it to know your trading system well enough. It can also be your trading body that encourages you, that talks to you during the times losing streaks, and can help you stay in line with your goals, in line with your plan, with your discipline as well. Okay, so let me show you some of the questions I've asked ChatGPT over time and how much it has really helped me and how much it can help you too. Whether you are passing a prop firm account, whether you are trading a personal account, or whether you are just going through some difficult times in trading with respect to the things happening in your life at the moment as well. So let's just get into this, a little deep dive, right? So join me rather on my journey to exploring ChatGPT, my new trading buddy. Alright, so this was trade 23, and I was feeling a little bit frustrated because I had a trade that got to very close to my take profit and ended break even. So I reached out to ChatGPT and I said, look, this trade 23 was a break even trade even after being close to my take profit. I was clearly a little bit frustrated, I must say, and I needed someone to actually chat with and talk to. And then I sent this. And so this was its reply. It says, I can also see why this one stings. Price made a strong move in your favor, got very close to your target, and then retraced enough to hit your break-even stop. Those are emotionally difficult moments for you and for your mind, because your mind thinks like this, that this was another winner, almost another winner. But remember what we talked about before. So we have had a conversation before. And so it says a break even is not a loss. It is just the cost of following your rule. And of course, I resonated with that. And, it gave me some level of calm. At least someone understands me. And that was ChatGPT. So you could try that out. Just send your screenshots, the trades that you have taken, and then tell it to advise you, to comfort you, or to console you. It works. Yeah, you should try it. All right, so right here I said, based off the 23 trades I've given to you, give me the necessary data I may need to know. All right, so it gives me my trading dashboard. It says my trading performance after the 23rd trade. It says I've taken 23 trades, I've won 7 trades, I've lost 12 trades, and I'm at break even. I broke even 4 different trades. All right, there are many trading what they call it, applications that allow you to see your trading results. This one does not just allow you see your trading results, it can also analyze the data for you so that it helps you to know how well you can improve and how best you can become better based on your previous results. All right, so you are going to be imputing your data. If you win a trade, you let it know you have won a trade today. If you trade impulsively, just let it know how you trade, and very soon it begins to understand your pattern of trading and helps you, or can advise you on what you should cut out on or what you should add to your system over time to become better and a lot more profitable than you currently are. I hope that helps. All right, so most people don't also know that ChatGPT can also help you draw graphs. All right, one of the ways you can actually visualize how well you are progressing towards your goal is the graphs, right? True graphs, line graphs, linear graphs. So I told it to show me the progress of my trades since I started, and this was exactly what it showed to me. All right, so these are the trades I've taken from the very beginning. Currently, my trades seem to be in what I would call a consolidation, but we are still optimistic about the trades because I'm consistent with my plan. I'm consistent with all of my trades since I started trading this system, and it has been something I'll call extraordinary discipline. Even though there sometimes it did not exactly feel so good. So visualizing it can help you to see how well or how far you have come. And I think you should also adopt that. Visualize how well you are making progress so that it gives you some level of motivation and the willingness to continue and to push through. Okay, so I also asked it a very simple question. I said, what should I anticipate in the future based on the trades that I've given to you? And then he gave me some things I should know. He said, I should expect more losing streaks. All right, with this in mind, I should know that probably in the coming weeks, I might have some losing streaks and it should not hurt me so badly. He says I can expect 4 losses in a row, 5 losses in a row, 6 losses in a row. Okay, but that doesn't mean that my system is broken. All right, so that gives me a level of encouragement before time. Okay, he also told me that I will win, but it may feel rare. Okay, I will not always win trades and I should be comfortable with that. So it's just like a psychological rewiring. Okay, so it also says that there will be times where my trading system will look like it is terrible, it is dead, but I should keep on going regardless. Okay, so these are some of the things that ChatGPT can just make known to you, and it strengthens your psychology. You should know that trading is all about psychology, right? Not just about systems. Okay, so we have the fourth. He says, my biggest challenge will not be the strategy, but it will be the desire to tweak my rules or to break even sooner than expected or to take profits earlier. But I should ensure to stay within the context of my plan. All right, so this is just about it. These are some of the things you can ask it. Now these are the questions I've asked ChatGPT. So based on your own trading system, based on your own style of trading, based on your own emotional condition at the time, you can just ask ChatGPT what you want it to do for you or what advice you think it can offer you based on and so it's all up to you. I've shown you how you can maximize ChatGPT to improving your trading results and to giving you a trading edge and also strengthening your psychology. I hope it helps you and I will see you in the next video.